Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the ZealSound USB microphone. I have the package right here. This is the ZealSound USB microphone. I got it from Amazon, and if you're looking for a mic within the $50 budget, I would recommend this microphone for you. I am using it right now, and since I started using this microphone to record my videos, it has been very life-changing for me because it focuses just on your voice and makes everything else disappear. And it is something good for content creators, people doing podcasts, people streaming, gamers. If you want to make YouTube videos like this, you will need a mic like this. So I'm going to be giving you guys the features of the mic, showing you how this mic has been a life-changing for me, and I would want you guys to try out this mic. So the name is a ZealSound Professional Studio Microphone, and let's get into the features. Yeah, okay, so guys, this is the microphone, and you can see mine is unboxed already from the box. So when you order from Amazon, this is what you're gonna get. It's gonna come in this box, and it's gonna come in this, and it's gonna come with two plug-in. It's gonna come with a lightning cable, and it is also going to come with a Type-C. So currently the Type-C is plugged into my iPhone 16 because I use my iPhone 16 to record my videos. And this is the box. It comes in black, blue, pink, white, teal and gold. But I got the black because I just love black. It matches my aesthetics. Yeah. So the mic is really good. It has it's a plug and play. It has a noise cancellation. It has an instant mute. It has an onboard audio control, and also has a real-time monitor. So we have 4 buttons over here. We have the mute. Let's say you want to cough, you can just mute, unmute, simple. And this is the to increase the volume of the mic. Let's take it down, and let's take it back up. And this one is the headphone volume controller. If you have an headphone plugged in, you can use this to increase and also decrease the volume. And let's say I want my voice to echo, I can just come over here and I can put it to whichever one I want. And I don't love increasing this, I just leave it down, and I love it like that. Yeah, so it is a very good microphone for whatever you want to use it to do. It's good for podcasts, good for voiceovers, good for ASMR videos, good for YouTube voiceovers, good for anything you want to do. If you're a starting creator, it's a microphone that is within the best budget. As I said earlier, it is within the $50 budget on Amazon, and it is really good. I'm going to be showing you guys the difference of this mic and my actual iPhone mic. I'm going to be using the mic, and I'm also going to be using my iPhone mic, and I'm going to be showing you guys the difference so you can see how good this mic is. Most creators' videos that you see that sound so stunning, you don't need to buy those expensive mics that offer $300. This one is a friendly budget, and it is very good. It can stand beside a lot of expensive microphones. So guys, this is my actual voice. This is my mic. It is not plugged in, it is unplugged. And this is my actual iPhone 16 microphone, and this is how it sounds. I don't know if you can hear the background noise, but like this is how my normal iPhone microphone sounds. So I'm going to be playing the one whereby I'm going to be using the mic. Okay guys, this is me using the microphone to record my video, and this is not my iPhone 16 microphone. This is the ZealSound USB microphone plugged into my iPhone 16. How does it sound? I feel like you guys can see how focused it is on only my voice. It is picking just my voice and ignoring all other background voices. That is one thing very stunning and very fantastic about this microphone. It is just like all other expensive microphones, all other good brands, because it picks on just your voice, it elevates it, and it makes it very stunning. So let me know what you think about this and what you think about the other video, because this is the microphone video and I'm sure you can see the differences. Okay guys, thank you for sticking to the end of this video, and I'm sure you enjoyed the video and you enjoyed me reviewing this ZealSound microphone. I'm going to put in my link in the description box whereby you can get it straight. You just click on the link and it's going to take you directly to Amazon, where you can place an order for this microphone. And the funniest thing, easiest thing, seamlessly delivery, it comes the next day. You don't even have to worry. If you have Prime, you are a primer. Sorry, but it comes the next day. Honestly, you just have to click on the link. It takes you straight to your Amazon, and you just have to place the order. And let me know what you think about this microphone, because to me, I would rate this 100 over 100 because this is perfect. It fits everything. Like, it does make my videos much more easier. Like before, when I record videos with the low budget microphones, like the ones $20 I get, or like $10-19, I used to like have a lot of issues because I don't really like the audio, the way it comes out. But since I laid my hands on this microphone, I've always loved and always want to shoot more videos because it makes everything just different. So thank you for staying to the end of this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, comment, and let me know what you think about this microphone when you get one, if all I said is true. Definitely it is going to be true because I won't be lying. You can hear me speaking, right? So have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.